Ryan Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. And we've got another Auto World set that just came out. Well, no, it's just coming out. It's coming out in a couple weeks. You want to get these on pre-order because this is a phenomenal set. I think every set that Auto World makes is pretty awesome. But this one's really nice. This is called the BRE Champion set. And it comes with two cars. These are brand new cars, basically, from Auto World. These are new bodies that they've retooled, okay? And you have the Datsun 510 and the Datsun 240Z. And we're gonna open this up and set this up and show you what it looks like set up, and then we're gonna race the cars. So everything you get in an Auto World set is pretty much universal. You're gonna get instructions, a little catalog, and the instructions will have the basic layout, but there's an alternate layout you can do. All right, this is gonna come with a bridge, and then this is your tech sheet on how to take care of your cars and your track. Very important, all this is right here. You're gonna get flags, you're gonna get a lap counter, you're gonna get all the track supports you need, your little posts, your guardrails, all the track. Oh wow, they've even changed the grids. They've even got Datsun Goodyear. Wow, that's cool. That's redone. You also have the new adjustable transformer. You then have the
which curve?
Two cars.
Which curves are those?
Those are standard curves, and this is half standard curves. Now this set, I think, oh right here. I wondered if this was missing. Okay, so this is everything inside. And what's nice about this, everything can go right back in here when you're done with it. And this is everything in the set. Your 3-inch track, your terminal, your straight track, your 9-inch, your half standard 9-inch curves, and then regular curves, and then your lap counter. And that's everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build this layout right here, which is the alternate layout. The alternate track layout is what we're gonna build. And this is a 4x8 table. So really most of your layouts from Auto World will fit on a 4x8 sheet of plywood. Almost 90% of them will fit on a 4x8 sheet of plywood. So you gotta wanna pre-order these babies. Now you get two cars, and these are brand new cars. These are new molds for Auto World. Auto World never has done this car. Now this came out during the Aurora days, and this car also, of course, now like right here. So you gotta always make sure that, see that lip right there? See, and that's what's making that car jump off. So you gotta make sure that sometimes you have to reconnect it a little bit. See how now it's flat? So that won't crash as much anymore when it goes over that area. See that right there? Now we gotta check over here, yep, right here. Wow, that's a nice car. Holy cow. Wow. And that is the BRM set, or BRE set. These are Datsuns. And that's what's so unique about this set, is that back in the days, these were called Datsuns. My first car, before I bought my Ford Escort, I had a Datsun. The cars were called Datsun, D-A-T-S-U-N, Datsun. And then they changed the name in like mid-80s to Nissan, which they should have kept it Datsun in the United States, because I think it had a better iconic name. I like the name Datsun. It's got a lap counter, and this is set number SRS353. SRS353, and it's called BRE. It's called Brook Racing Enterprises. BRE, Brook Racing Enterprises. And that's the Datsun 240 and the 510. Very popular racing cars in the 1970s, late 60s, early 70s. And we've got the set at Auto World, and we have it at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to click below in the link below, and you'll see where you can pre-order it and get one on order so you can have it in your house by Christmas.